In this problem, we are given the following. Diabetes awareness. Diabetes is a major health concern around the globe, so you would like to control your sugar consumption. At a party, there are two types of drinks, one with 10% sugar in it and the other with 30% sugar in it. You and your friends want to make 15 cups of mixed drink from these given two drinks that will have 15% sugar in it. And the question is asking how many cups of drinks you have to bring from 10% sugar drink and how many you have to bring from 30% sugar drink. And the total number of cups you want to make is 15 cups with 15% sugar concentration in it. This problem is easier to understand if I create a diagram. So this is my 10% concentration drink, this is my 30% concentration drink, and I want to make something which is going to have 15%. And the problem is asking how many cups do I need to bring from here and how many cups do I need to bring from here in order to have a 15% drink. So I will bring some amount from here, some amount from there, and if I mix it here together, it will give me 15% drink of 15 cups total. So let's say I bring in X cups from here and I bring in Y cups from there. X cups from 10% concentration and Y cups from 30% concentration. So that's going to be my total. So total drinks here is going to be X plus Y. But X plus Y is the total drink, so it must be 15 cups. So X plus Y is 15. Now let's go ahead and take into consideration the amount of sugar actually coming in. So this is 10% concentration, so if I bring in X cups from here, the actual amount of sugar that's coming in here is going to be 0.1x. 0.1 is 10%. So the actual amount of sugar coming here is 0.1x. Similarly, from 30% concentration, actual amount of sugar coming in is 0.3y or 0.3y. Now, whatever sugar you bring in from here and whatever you bring in from there, where does it go? It goes here. So the actual amount of sugar here must be the what you get from here and here, from 10% and 30%. So 0.1x plus 0.3y, that's the actual amount coming from this one and this one respectively. That should be mixed together to give you 15% or 0.15. But remember, 15% of something, 15% of the total drink, which is X plus Y. X plus Y. Now this becomes pretty easy to solve. I have two equations with two unknowns. The first equation is simple. X plus Y is 15. Second equation looks a bit messy, but what I am going to do, I am going to simplify the second equation by multiplying both sides of this equation by 100. That way all the decimals are going to go away. So it's going to be 10x. 0.1 times 100 is 10x. Then plus 0.3 times 100 is 30. And then y is equal to 0.15 times 100 is 15. Then times x plus y. Please do keep in mind that this is just a single term. You do not multiply 100 by 0.15 and then x plus y by 100 again. You just multiply the whole term, this whole term by 100, that gives me 15.15 times 100 is 15, then times x plus y. Now this becomes really easy. So 10x plus 30y is equal to, using the distributive property, 15 times x is 15x, then 15 times y is 15y. Now I'm just going to subtract things. So let's subtract 10x from both sides and then subtract 15y from both sides. I'm just bringing the x to the right and y's to the left. If I do that, on the left hand side, this positive 10x, negative 10x cancel out, and then 30y minus 15y is going to give me 15y. So that's what this one is. And on the right hand side, positive 15x, sorry, not positive 15x, positive 15x minus 10x is going to give me 5x, and positive 15y, negative 15y, they cancel out. Now I can divide both sides by 5. That's going to give me 3y is equal to x, or x is equal to 3y. So I just found this equation from the second one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and then plug it back into this. So if I did that, I'm going to get the following. So I have x plus y is equal to 15, and then I know x is 3y, so 3y plus y is equal to 15, and then 4y is equal to 15. Now I divide both sides by 4. That's going to give me y is equal to 15 over 4, which, by the way, 3.75 cups. Okay, so you are bringing in y is equal to 3.75 cups. From here you bring in 3.75 cups. Now how much do you bring in from this one? That's pretty easy. We know x plus y is equal to 15. So x is gonna be 15 minus y, or x is 15 minus 3.75. That's going to give me x is equal to 11.25. So I bring in 11.25 cups from there. So my x is 11.25 cups, and my y is equal to 3.75 cups. And you can see, if you add these two, you get 15, by the way, 15 cups as you wanted. So that's how you do such a problem. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.